Nice. Hey, Beth, that new bow of yours starts to turn, he gets a bullet in the head. Copy? Come on. Where the dang is Tammy? Thought she was right behind you.
I'm too late, aren't I? I hate being in the back. How many foods are there?
5 big ones, 1 real tiny. Last time I saw them all together.
Food! Only 5 foods? Oh, they're like, the whole freaking horde is here.
Horde!
Yeah, you said it, friend. The Horde's the best. Hey, you're a baby, huh? Oh, welcome to the Horde, baby. You're gonna love the Horde.
A food's already been brought out and completely devoured. I hope you enjoyed your meal, very few of us.
Me too. I really do hope that for them. And you, when you have meals. Good idea, baby. Food is that way. Friends, too.
Oh! What? Oh, no! Hey, buddy, hey!
I see you, my lad. I may not have arms, but I've still got these. Wish I could have pointed when I said that. My eyes! Still got them.
Hey, help me out here. A food hit me with this shape.
I see. An object narrow enough to pass right through you.
Are you gonna help me?
Oh, yes, of course. I can get up, but it'll be a while. Hello. Nice to meet you, my friend. Indeed.
Fudge.
What? Still wasting ammo?
You see her?
She's turned, Jask. Once we get out of here, I'm going after her.
You are not leaving my side again, you hear me? There might not even be a cure.
But if there is, I can save her.
How do we get up there?
Not really sure what you mean by that, friend.
Where the food is?
Never really thought about it like that. I guess just, keep forward, arms out, hopefully a food to eat or a friend to hug.
Hell yeah! Love that about the Horde, buddy!
Oh, say it again, friend! Or, we'll just slowly pile on top of each other until one of our dear good friends can climb up us.
What's that stuff?
Just food, Pete.
Ew, gross.
Small price to pay to eat food.
Yeah, we can do it. We're all in this together, and I love you.
Well, let's keep moving.
You know it.
Can I come?
You know it, friend.
Darling, please, I'm begging for you, baby. Can't you see you're the one I save? Help me now.
We gotta get out of here. We gotta get out of here. We gotta get out of here, friends.
Not having arms isn't much different.
Being stuck to this large shape by that small, narrow shape might be good for you. I find I'm a little wiser now that I have no arms. Consider the sparrow.
Shut up! Bite this thing and pull on it with your body.
And, well, considering mountain, but so, as such, not do mountains be. And yet...
All right, stop it.
All right. Down to business. Voila!
So now I have this then? This is just it now for me?
Well, at least you still have
Arms, I get it, you don't have arms. This is not about you right now.
I was going to say friends. At least you still have friends.
That's still about you. Just let me be miserable about this thin shape that's stuck in my body forever.
Oh,
What?
I'm hugging you.
Oh. Thanks.
Friends, we've gotta go!
Yeah, we do. Way to go.
No, I mean, stop hugging me!
Oh, why'd you say that, buddy? I thought we were pals.
Yeah, the stinger, that really stings.
Okay, then just follow me if you still want to be friends. Everybody stay calm! Don't panic, just stick together, it'll be fine!
Yeah, remember the horde? How cool?
Stay your best friend!
Oh, my bad. Oh, whoopsie dopers.
Magnificent!
It just seems like no one knows what or why anything is, right? Like, maybe...
Hello, my best buddies of all time, forever, every single in the world. That's great to see you. You want to wander with us until we find more food and friends?
Oh, indeed!
Just wander around?
Well, once everyone stops scattering. Well, since we're to meet up and all clump back together.
Friends always find friends!
And there's usually food there too, which is great. How are you doing that? Thank you so much, buddy.
So should we get going?
Right. Is it just us, friends? It's just us, friends? It's just us, friends!
You know it!
Yeah.
That's right. Keep walking, zombies. There, I said it. You zombies. By the time I'm through with you, you'll be the lying dead. The lying on the ground dead. When I've killed you. Except the one I'm trying to save. I should mention that. You zombies!
Look! A food egg! Probably empty. They're usually empty. Yeah, looks hatched already.
Well, we should at least check and see.
On it! I was not aware they could defend themselves.
Oh, hey.
Doesn't matter. There's no screaming food in there. You can tell, you know.
Because of the screaming!
Hey, best friends.
We're never gonna find food without the horde. Or inner peace. Whatever that may be. Or whatever being is.
Friends! I believe I've seen something moving.
Also, my gut hole is leaking.
If it moves, if what you saw moves,
Then we can make it stop moving, and then we can eat it. We can eat it right now. Great plan. Hey, best friend.
And now we play the waiting game. I play the waiting game. Oh, that would have been so good if I got it right. Ugh.
tell you the first thing I'm gonna do when I get that food. Eat it. Look! That food is way high up.
But how do we get to it if we're not where it is?
On it!
What do we do? At least with the horde, there were broken promises of food. There's no promise here. Ooh. Let's cover it with tree blood, a local delicacy loved by nobody. We can eat other things. Not just food. Don't bother with the way high up me. Follow the already down here me. I mean, let's go.
Is she even with them? Why did... But I built the whole thing. I played the waiting game.
It isn't warm or tasty or food like normal food. I am less hungry though.
Anyone mind if I take a whack at this one?
This is disgusting and I hate it. We should just go back and take our chances with the up food.
I'm gonna take a whack. Whack!
Try these. You can just swallow them whole and you don't have to taste it. Or, if you chew them, it kind of sounds like the bones of food.
Hello, tiny buzzing friends. I'm ow. Oh, well, ow. Ha! No! Hello! Oh!
No, this is wrong. Food is food. Okay, food isn't ground. Food isn't me or you or green thing or that dick or what's his butt. That's why food is called food. And those things are called whatever they're called. Not food. That's for sure.
This is not new food, I now think!
You change the definition, the natural definition of food? And what's next? You want to start calling these floppy wood bastards friends? No. You might as well just let air into the horde since nothing means anything anymore. Hello, friend! You are my really great buddy! Welcome to the horde!
I think I've brokered a peace with the very small buddies. Oh, never mind!
We have to survive somehow, and honestly, food is dangerous. It kills friends all the time.
Look, I know you're my best friend in the whole world, but what you're suggesting is unnatural.
And you're the greatest pal I've ever had, and I would never leave you or any other friend behind.
I am a friend and you are a friend and we are friends.
But it sounds to me like you're just cranky and you need to eat something.
Yeah! Food!
Hey, friends! Come over here! I swear it's not about my little buzz friends. We can agree on this, right?
That'll work,
Yeah.
On it!
Looks like the hunter. Still the hunter. Son of a... Hey, monsters, it's gonna take me a little time to reload this. There's a lot going on here. But you should tell me what you did with my friend Tammy. Shit, I got a ratchet. Ah, no! Trapped by my own backup trap. I don't know what hurts more, the steel or the irony. Ah, never mind. That hurts more. Oh, damn it! Why do I keep missing your head? Ah! So many things are going wrong. This is really bad. I'm screwed. Why my leg?
This food never runs away, and it tastes great.
Hi, best friends.
Hey, I love you.
I'm back.
How'd you escape the egg trap?
I have no idea.
Ah, things. Always a mystery, eh? Whether 'tis
Hi,
wild
best friends. Hi, my new favorite pals.
Wait, where did you come from? Whoa, cool. How did you move your arms like that?
Where'd you come from?
How did you do that?
Where'd you come from?
That?
Whoa, what's bothering you, buddies?
Where did you come from? And what did you do with the food?
Oh, there's food? That's great! Which way? Food!
Ah, capital idea. Food.
You were the food!
I may have been born just now, but that's impossible.
There's no other possible explanation.
Yeah, right. Oh, that's just me, totally being food right now.
I was food.
You do look a lot like this food.
Not my food. Good. I bit the food.
Please. You barely taste like food.
You bit the food. The food became friend. It must be...
A coincidence. Show me one piece of evidence that there's any... You said food put that in you.
It did.
We have to tell the horde. We were food.
You should tell them about this green stuff, too. It's growing from my gut hole. Permanent food!
No, thank you, friend.
We need to find them. I thought you said that we'd start to sense them and then we'd come together like real buddies.
Who knows when that'll be?
By my calculations, we should reach the horde eventually.
Whoa. Great job.
Oh, thank you. You too.
Thank you. Okay. Come on!
Huzzahs!
This way, guys. This way.
Shall I bring the tiny buzz friends?
Away we go.
Don't
I
forget,
could go. Okay, all
forget
right.
the bus friends.
Okay, wait, I think this might be the wrong direction.
You know what? You know,
Yeah.
I was calculating.
I
Yes.
So we get to the horde and we just tell them we used to be food? Will they even believe us?
Yeah. We'll tell them, and then they'll know. We didn't know until we knew, you know?
Knowing things is amazing.
Yeah.
Almost as amazing as the horde.
Yeah, if you like smelling like food blood all the time.
He's right. Oh, you're gonna love the horde. All my best friends are in the horde. Except for you four. Here, now.
Look, they're clumping.
We were food!
Hey, it's one of my pals.
Hi!
I love food.
Hey, me too.
That's great.
You're great.
My friends!
Hello now.
We were food!
We don't believe you.
Okay, but what if I said that the thing that I said was true?
Friends and friends, allow me to present to you something beyond anything you've ever seen. Something world-altering. Ta-da!
Hey.
She used to be food.
Oh, that's ridiculous. She's obviously one of us, and furthermore, I love her.
But I used to not be. They saw it.
It's true. There was a food, and then I bit the food, and then the food was gone. And then she was there. It was terrible. I really wanted the food.
If we don't stop eating food, we'll outnumber it and then starve. We have to eat this gross green stuff instead. Stop eating food. Stop eating food! Stop eating food!
If we used to be food, then where's the transitional form?
Ah! Voila! Excuse me?
If we all used to be food and then turned into friends, why isn't there something that's half friend, half food?
Right.
Show me this room, friend. So all I see here is one of my very best friends in the whole wide world. I think we all agree.
Well, one moment the food was there, then it vanished.
Too fast to even see? Huh? It's pretty convenient.
Yes, yes, faster than seems possible. Incredibly convenient.
Look, just believe the things that we know.
Ask the leader!
The great leader would like you to come closer. And also, how are you doing the things with your arms?
Oh, we just broke them. Good, that's good. Oh, great leader. There is a food crisis coming, and unless you want to eat green crap and shit and bugs, you gotta believe us.
The leader has to say.
Excuse me, brave and inspiring leader, but if I may, we have heard our young friend. However, before you make your final decision, might a friend have the floor?
Right.
Now, I'm from right here, from the Horde. I was born back in a time that, frankly, I don't remember at all, but that I like to think was simpler. Simpler times for simpler friends. Now, I may not know much. For example, I'm still struggling with this arm thing.
This is your right!
Why, thank you. But I do know that we have only been alive for a couple of days. So how is it possible that we were food before that? And in this short time, we have, as friends, enjoyed having food, getting food, eating food, and so forth. So, if our young friend is in fact correct, that we was food, then again, forgive me, for I am a little bit slow on the draw. But that would make, would it not, our fearless leader having been food?
Yeah, the whole, like all of us.
Blasphemer, speaking blasphemy.
No, this is mine. We saw this on myself, but we friends did not make it. Where did it come from?
Sugar pie, we all have things. Like, what is this, right? But as the old saying goes, whatever, who cares?
That's not even a saying!
You're right, it's not a saying. Just like fearless leader, we was food is not a saying. Case done. Now kindly remove these vomits and scofflaws, who I love dearly.
Who are you? They are right, I have seen it. I was shown it. We was food. But this cannot keep us from thriving when we was food. There was
When we was food, there was no sides. We must make a deal with the food so we can have a great peace as there was before.
Your leadership, 1,000 respects. But you haven't found us food for hours.
I think there is a place where there may be food. I was shown it. Follow me.
Who do you think she was? Huh? Who are any of us anymore? What you saying? Well, that's fucking weird.
This won't work. There's probably not even food in that giant egg.
Presto!
What?
I don't know, it just sounds like a good random nonsense word.
You think it'll believe her?
It's happening.
I don't speak dead dummy.
It feels really weird saying this, but that food's pretty cute.
I'm gonna bash your fucking head in. Now. Okay? All right, here I come.